Binance Alpha is set to distribute a Solstice (SLX) token airdrop on May 25, marking another entry in its series of curated token distributions. This event is part of Binance Alpha's broader strategy to offer users early access to emerging projects within the Solana ecosystem. The airdrop is separate from the standard Binance listing process and is designed to give eligible users exposure to tokens before they reach the broader market. The Solstice (SLX) token is part of the Solana ecosystem, which has become a major player in decentralized finance. Binance Alpha typically features early-stage tokens that are not yet listed on the main exchange. This allows users to engage with new projects at an early stage, often through airdrops or token showcases. The May 25 distribution is one such example. To qualify for the SLX airdrop, users must meet certain criteria tied to the Binance Alpha Points system. These points are earned through trading activity, holding specific assets, and engaging with the Binance ecosystem. The exact requirements for this airdrop are expected to be announced officially before the May 25 deadline. However, past airdrops have required a minimum threshold of alpha points, and some may include additional steps like completing KYC verification. Eligibility for Binance Alpha airdrops can vary by event. Some airdrops may be limited to users in specific regions, while others may exclude certain jurisdictions due to most people arrive after the move is obvious and the easy upside is gone. We focus on serious crypto education and high-quality signals before the crowd rushes in, so you can understand the setup earlier and move sooner. If you want that edge, visit the link below now. Regulatory constraints. Users should monitor official Binance Alpha announcements for the most accurate and up-to-date qualification details. The process is designed to be transparent, but it's important for participants to understand the rules before the distribution date. The significance of this event lies in the growing trend of token airdrops as a way to onboard new users and build early engagement with emerging projects. Binance Alpha has positioned itself as a platform for discovery, offering users a chance to interact with projects before they reach the wider market. This can be particularly valuable for tokens like SLX that operate within a well-established blockchain like Solana. For users already familiar with Binance Alpha, this airdrop represents another opportunity to accumulate exposure to a new token without the need for upfront investment. However, it's important to note that participation does not guarantee future success for the token. The value of SLX will depend on a variety of factors, including market demand, project development, and broader crypto market conditions. As of now, the exact number of tokens to be distributed in the SLX airdrop has not been disclosed. Past Binance Alpha airdrops have varied in size, and the allocation rules are typically based on user activity and engagement metrics. The platform's approach to airdrops is generally data-driven, with allocations reflecting user participation levels. Looking ahead, the next signal to watch is the official Binance Alpha announcement on May 25. This will confirm the final qualification criteria and provide details on how eligible users will receive their SLX tokens. Users who miss the initial window for participation should still check for any last-minute updates or adjustments to the eligibility requirements. The broader implication of this event is the continued expansion of Binance Alpha's role in the crypto ecosystem. By offering early access to new tokens, the platform is helping to shape user engagement and market adoption before tokens reach the broader market. This could be especially relevant for projects like Solstice, which are part of the growing Solana-based decentralized finance network. For now, the focus remains on the May. Most people arrive after the move is obvious and the easy upside is gone. We focus on serious crypto education and high-quality signals before the crowd rushes in, so you can understand the setup earlier and move sooner. If you want that edge, visit the link below now. 25. Airdrop and the steps users need to take to qualify. The event is a clear example of how platforms like Binance Alpha are evolving to support both users and developers in the crypto space. As more projects seek early-stage exposure, platforms that facilitate these interactions will likely play an increasingly important role in the market. The next key development to track is whether Binance Alpha will announce additional airdrops or token showcases in the coming weeks. These events often follow a pattern, with new distributions rolling out at regular intervals. Users who are active on the platform may find themselves in a position to participate in multiple airdrops, depending on their engagement levels and eligibility.